Oh my god. Oh my god. I think I'm lost. Should I cross? No, let me not cross. Should I cross? Oh my god, let me not cross. Hi. I just feel so happy here.
I'm tired of being so
3 days later.
And I certainly don't believe in destiny, but sometimes I wonder if it's meant to be. At this point I feel I got a history with how I fall too hard with boys initially. I'm trying not to take it too personally.
Guys, I'm doing it. I'm vlogging and talking. I'm so sorry because why was I so scared? Like, I look, you have this fear that someone is just going to come and hijack my phone and run away. But yeah, bye.
Двери закрываются. Следующая станция Добрынинская. Будьте вежливы, уступайте.
I want it in the worst ways, oh baby. It's a shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health. I swear you go to hell, take the L. I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby. But we don't want no homicide now, do we? And shooting my soul so loud. Are you happy now? Cause I really hate you. Cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off. But I really need you. And I really don't want to, yeah. But we'll keep playing games till you fuck off. No, there's no more saving face. You gon' pay with pain. I'll just taste the fame and all my fans, they hate your name. You can't meet me in the next life, the next one again.
I just feel so happy here.
Cause I really hate you. Cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off. But really I'm just passing the time. If you let me up in the middle of the night, you know all my self-respect goes out the door, straight through the wall. Baby, could you please make a sign? I'm not in a fire, we can make it with the wild.
Tomorrow.
I don't think I know where I'm going to. Hey, wait, where am I supposed to cross? Just, oh my god. Oh my god. I think I'm lost. Wait, let me just turn. Okay. Okay, if I should. Let me just. Wow. Okay, maybe I should go there. Maybe I should go there. Let me come like this. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. My brain is not working at its full potential. I hope this is where I'm going to is correct. You know what? Let me just use the map. I'm going to get this. I'm so awkward in front of the camera that it's not even funny. Like, I'll just leave it. am I supposed to do with this thing? What am I supposed to do? I'm not drinking.
Because there's no way I'm okay. So if I drink it, there's no need for me to go out. If I don't drink it.
I'm just going to leave it alone. They brought the side dishes. Couldn't finish it, so I got kimchi to go. I don't know if you guys can hear me. This lighting is so good for my skin. Oh, now it's for me to find my way back home because I don't know where I'm going. In all honesty, should I cross? No, let me not cross. Should I cross? Oh my God, let me not cross. Wait first, let me cross. Oh my God. You know what? Let me not go home. Let's walk around the city. Do some Doradi exploring. Oh, that's such a pretty building. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the sun. It's so pretty. I think I'm just going to find the closest metro and go home.
A few moments later.
What is this? Why is it so far? Oh, chim.
Huh? 48 hours later.
Maybe there. That place looks like a garden. Okay then. But I'm not sure. But there are trees there too. I'm sure. Wait for a while. I can't do that.